How many brackets do we buy or sell? Do we buy any put or call?
Right.
One
One.
up or one down.
One out.
Yeah. And what is that called?
In the money, out of the money.
It's called at
At
the
the money.
money. At the money. Right? If there is one in or one out, it's actually called at the money. All right. So was it Anthony? It's always one bracket here. Just like my training video shows, it is going to be one in or one out, and you don't care. These are puts. These are calls. Expiration doesn't matter unless you're holding overnight, and then everyone in the room, if you're holding a contract overnight, what is the minimum
90
expiration?
plus days.
90 days.
90 days.
90 days.
SPY touched a double top, pulled back 449.55. Now, what's funny is I've told you guys all morning, all morning long, what did I say was the critical level for SPY? I said 449.59. Didn't I say it all day?
Yes, coach.
Yes,
you
sir.
did.
Have.
Yes, it's all day long. I bought puts when it couldn't hold up here. It couldn't hold again, right? This is a double top situation. And if you guys watched my tweet this morning, I told you guys to never buy calls at resistance or puts at support, because if we bought a call on SPY right here before it breaks and holds, it is more likely to go down than it is to go up, and you're going to get your faces ripped off. Yes, you have to wait for the break and hold. Then you can look at longing with a stop below it. Master class right now again. If you try to buy a call because you're getting FOMO, this is what I talked about Thursday, and you're like, it's going up and it's going to break, and you get a call here, you are more likely to bounce off resistance. That's why it's called resistance to the downside, get your face ripped off, and then all we're going to hear out of your mouth is, every time I buy a call, it goes against me. Yeah, because you're buying it at the wrong time. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Morning, coach.
Yes, sir, coach.
It's the most important thing I can tell all of you if you're going to be scalping this stuff, right? And scalping, for the record, scalping is an intraday term. If I bought it at 9:30 and I sold it at 4 o'clock, that is a scalp. That is an intraday swing trade, even though it is a scalp, right? And we're thinking a scalp, oh, it's under 10 seconds. Wrong. A scalp can be all day long. It could be 4 a.m. in the morning until 9 or 8 p.m. at night. Market open to market close. That is a scalp. I just like to have fast scalps. Some will do long scalps.
So would you consider the 2-minute EWO an extended scalp, basically?
It is. That's exactly what it is. Yep. It's a longer term because we're using a longer time frame hold. That's why I told you guys to hold the 2-minute EWOs, right? If I was using a 1 minute, it would be too hard because it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. By breaking to the upside and holding, everybody. Oops, I almost went in too big. Don't want to give that back. Look at the break and hold of SPY. What would that possibly be? I don't know. I got in hours late, but I'll take it. Boom. There's $150. What did I say? After it breaks and holds 449.65, that's when we long it, right? SPY broke below a critical level. So what do you think I should be doing? Talk to me. What should I possibly be doing if SPY broke to the downside, a key critical area? Somebody tell me. I bought way too late, but isn't bearish, right? It broke a critical double top level to the downside. Isn't that bearish? Anybody want to answer that?
It is.
Okay, thank you. At least on a quick scalp, right? I'm not looking at this thing for the next 8 days. So I got it late. And if it goes against me, right? So I'm inputs now. If it holds above, I'm out. If it stays below, I'm in.